Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate how to install and run Windows 10 on a Mac using VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox yet, please watch my video, How to Install VirtualBox on Mac, linked on the top right corner. I will also put a link in the description of this video. Now that you have installed the VirtualBox on your Mac, it's time to load up your Windows 10 virtual machine. Open the VirtualBox application from the Applications folder, or by invoking Spotlight Search. Invoke the Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus spacebar keys on your keyboard, and then search for VirtualBox. Once the VirtualBox is launched, click on New. You can name your new operating system whatever you want. If you type the name of any available OS, like Windows 10, the version field will automatically switch to that operating system. You can also choose a machine folder of your choice to store the virtual machine. When you're ready, click Continue. On the following screen, choose how much RAM you want to allocate to your VM. Keep in mind, if you set this too high, your Mac won't have enough memory to run. The default recommendation is at least 2 GB, which is enough to run most of the applications. And you can always change this later in Settings. Select Create a Virtual Disk now, and click on Create button. Next, you have to decide which type of hard disk to create. The default is VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image, which is also Oracle's proprietary container format. On the next screen, select Dynamically Allocated, and then click Continue. Lastly, you have to decide how much disk space you want to allocate to store your VM. And click Create. You have now successfully installed VirtualBox in a Windows 10 VM. However, just like on any physical machine, you have to set up the Windows 10 OS. And you also need an ISO image file of the operating system. To download an ISO image of Windows 10 operating system, search Windows 10 Download, and go to Microsoft's download page. Select Windows 10 as Edition, and click Confirm. Next, select Product Language. And finally, choose between 32-bit and 64-bit editions of Windows 10 to download. And the download should begin. Once the download is finished, go back to VirtualBox Windows 10 installation. Before start the installation, click on Settings. Go to the System tab and uncheck Floppy from Boot Options. Next, go to the Storage tab, highlight the disk icon, and then select the Windows 10 ISO image from File System downloaded previously. Wait until you see the location path and image file name instead of empty disk. Before you save, go to the General tab and under Advanced Screen, choose Bidirectional for Shared Clipboard and Drag and Drop options. Click OK to save all settings. Now it's time to click Start. Verify the ISO image file and path, and click on Start button. You should see the process of Windows 10 operating system installation is started. Make sure the language and keyboard options and click Next. And then, Install Now. Here, provide your Windows 10 product key if you have one, otherwise click I don't have a product key. Choose the OS version and click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click on Advanced option. Then select the drive where the OS should be installed, and click Next. Installation is in progress now. I'm fast-forwarding the installation process to reduce the video time. But if you want to see the complete process with detailed explanation for each step, I'll link the full-length video in description. Now it's time that you answer few simple questions for Windows to set up your profile. Set up an account name and an optional password. Set up and accept privacy settings. And here we have the first greeting message. Windows 10 installation is now almost completed. And here we have the fresh Windows 10 virtual operating system installed and running. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.